Kids.
Ready to grow something amazing together, Momo?
This tiny seed is going to turn into a plant? Really?
Tuck it in nice and snug, just like putting it to bed.
A little water every day, just like Grandpa said. Nothing yet? Growing sure takes a while.
Good things grow slowly. Let's water it again tomorrow and see.
A sprout! A real sprout! It's actually growing. Gotta pull the weeds so my plant has room to grow.
Look how tall it's getting. You're doing a wonderful job.
It's a real tomato! We actually grew a real tomato!
That's the reward for all your patience, Momo.
It tastes even better because I grew it myself.
Plant a seed and wait and see. Patience grows a mystery. From tiny seed to plate so grand. That's the magic of the land.
Remember, friends, good things are worth the wait. Bye-bye. For more fun adventures, subscribe to Momo Smart Kids.